How are you doing today? I am great. So sorry I haven't been posting in a while. It's just because I have been away and of course I couldn't film anything whilst I was away. So I had a great time and that was all good. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make unicorn slime. So as you can see here, we're going to be making unicorn slime. Pink, purple and blue. And that's going to be really cool. At the end we're going to swirl them all together and it'll look so good. So let's get on to the video. So before we start this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and turn on the notification bell and subscribe whilst you're doing that. Just subscribe. Thank you so much. So let's get on to making unicorn slime. So the first step by making unicorn slime is we're just going to make a normal batch of fluffy slime, white fluffy slime, and then we are going to a big batch and then we're going to split it in 3 and then colour them and then swirl them all together. So if you want to know how to make fluffy slime in the UK or any slime, go and check out my video. It's called How to Make Fluffy Slime in the UK. So you want to start off by pouring in your PVA glue, however much you want. I poured in about that much, which was a good size, and I'm going to go ahead with my shaving foam. Just remember the shaving foam does make your slime larger. So you want to mix all of those two ingredients together, make sure they're fully blended in together. Once you've done that, you want to go in with your bicarbonate of soda, and this works with the activator, and you don't want to add too much just because it will make your slime go hard over time. But next we're going to go in with our activator, which is Optrex Multi-Eye Wash. You want to do it little by little so you don't over-activate your slime, and give that a good stir. So now that I have a perfect slime, oh, that wasn't such a good one. I'm going to split this white, normal, fluffy slime into 3. So I'm just going to cut it like that, and I think if we do that, 1, 2, 3, perfect. Here I don't want them to go together. I have my 3 sections and I'm ready to add the paint. So now I'm going to be adding my pink paint, and I am going to be making all of these a pastel colour, so it will come out as a nice pastel colour. So let's start with this pink and see if I need any more paint, if I want to get any more. Whoa! So this slime is actually really thick. So you just want to knead this in. Might do a bit more, but this is good for now. Whoa! This is so cool. So this is a great colour, and I think I'm ready to move on to the next colouring. So now I'm going to be doing my purple paint, and so I'm going to make this one pastel as well. Oh wow, maybe it won't come out pastel. Let's just knead this in. So the purple is coming. Whoa. Purple is coming. So as you can see, this is really stretchy slime and it's so thick as well. So I think this colour's perfect now. There's still a bit of white, but you just want to keep kneading this until all of your colour is even, and I think my colour is even. So let's go on to the blue one. So now, last but definitely not least, is my pastel blue colour. So let's put some of this in. Maybe one more. Yeah, that's probably good. You can always add some more. And let's mix this in. So you just, again, you want to mix this in until it has a really nice even colour. I think my colour may need one more squirt of blue because it isn't looking that blue. Still looking quite white. So what do I think of this? I think I might add one more blue squirt in there. Whoa, that was quite a big splodge. So I'm just continue mixing this until I think it is done. And I think this is almost done. I'll just mix in. As you can still see, there are some blue, dark blue here and here, and then some light blue. So you're just going to carry on mixing it. The good way to mix it with your hands is if you just stretch it, just like you're about to do a slime swirl. You just want to keep on stretching and then... Okay, I think that's good. So I think it's the time that you've all been waiting for. Swirling them together, making it unicorn slime. So here we are, we're going to attempt to make unicorn slime. So, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, it looks so cool. Okay, so let's mix them all together now. Oh, that looks so pretty. Whoa. That is so cool. That is so cool. Oh, it's turned into like a really nice purple colour. Let's do this well. Oh. There's still some stripes of pink and there's still a little bit of blue in here. But it looks so pretty. Whoa! So this is a really fun experiment. So to make it even more magical, you can add some glitter. We couldn't find any glitter, but we did find sequins. So I'm going to add a tiny bit of each sequin. So... thank you so much for watching this video. Just be sure to make this video a big thumbs up and comment down below so you just might have the chance in winning a shout out in next time's video. So today today's shout out goes to Emily Godzall. So thank you so much, Emily Godzall, as well. And nice comment. Thank you so much. And I forgot to say, make sure you leave a nice comment for the shout out. So comment down below how your unicorn or mermaid slime turned out. Mine is pretty good, as you can see, and the sequins actually do look quite nice. So thank you so much for watching this video, and